Pooja Bera and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the look which you guys could see right here. So I know I am not really good with makeup stuff, but I think it's high time I should improve my makeup skills. So here I am. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys Indian wedding guest appearance wala look. And yeah, before getting into this video, make sure I give this video a big fat thumbs up, comment using the hashtag YouTubeEraFam so that I could reply to all the comments जो भी ये hashtag use करते हैं. Subscribe कर देना please because you are really close to 25k subscribers. Follow me on my social media and yeah, without a further ado, let's get into this video. Now before starting off with this makeup look, here comes a quick disclaimer. This is how my face looks without any makeup. Now starting up with this makeup look, I'm going to fill in my brows using this brow stick from Miss Claire. Now Miss Claire is a very budget friendly brand when it comes to makeup products, and I trust Miss Claire when it comes to brow products. So I would highly recommend you guys to go ahead and purchase this eyebrow stick. Now for the next step, I'm going to go ahead and conceal the areas above and below my brows. So I'm using the concealer stick from Wet n Wild. Now I know in camera the shade looks quite on a lighter side, but I think when I blend it out it would look a little better. Now I'm going to conceal the areas above and below the brows. Along with that, I'm going to conceal the area on my eyelid because that's the place where I'm going to do my eyeshadow stuff. And yeah, the key is really simple, blend it out, and I think after which I'll be able to do a very seamless eyeshadow look. So here's the palette which I'm using. Now this is from Makeup Revolution. Now I have selected the transition shade which is sort of nude one. So I'm going to fill in the outer corners of my eyelid along with the inner corner. I'm not sure if the camera is able to capture the shade whichever I'm using, but yeah, that's how it is supposed to be. So the steps are really simple. I think any girl could probably mimic it. Now this is how I usually do my transition over my eyelids, and I'm not sure if the camera is able to capture it, but I think I have to showcase some of my makeup skills. This is the beginning to my journey towards learning makeup. Now I'm going to make use of this golden shimmery shade and going to put it right in the center of my eyelid, and post which I'm going to blend it really nicely. Now I'm making use of the tip of my finger to do this. You guys could go ahead and make use of brush as well in case you're not comfortable using your fingers, but I think fingers work really well when it comes to doing your eyeshadow. And yeah, I think there is lot of fallouts when I'm trying to blend this shimmery shade with the transition shade which I have used, but not to worry. After the eye look is been done, I'm going to go ahead and then make use of the liner to fix all the puffings which you guys could see near the eyelashes. So yeah, I'm making use of this liner. This is the Insta liner from Lakme, and it is again a budget friendly liner, and I would highly recommend you guys, in case you are a beginner, definitely go ahead and purchase this liner. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. I'm not really good with makeup, that's why I went ahead with this simple eyeliner, and I hope I'll be able to mimic the same on the other side of my eye as well. Now the next step is to remove all the fallouts which you guys could see under my eyes. So I'm making use of a makeup remover so that I could give that finishing touches to my eye makeup which I have done. Now I know my face looks a little bit on a whiter side on the above portion, and I'm going to fix it up using a foundation. Now as you guys could see, my foundation has been broken, but just Indian things. I am using it with this liquid illuminator, and I'm simply dotting it all over my face. I think ring light लेने के बावजूद I was not able to, you know, जज कहाँ पे रखना चाहिए रिंग लाइट. एंड कोई बात नहीं, आई फील माई फेस इज लुकिंग मोर ऑन अ वाइटर साइड, सो आई थॉट वाई नॉट add some sort of warmth to it. So I'm making use of a transition shade from the Wet n Wild mini eye palette, and that's pretty much about it. I am blending in. I know my face looks a little on a whiter side, मतलब थोड़ा भयंकर ही लग रहा है, भूत टाइप सा, but never mind. Now I am filling my inner corners and highlighting my brows. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. I think my face looks more on a whiter side, but क्या करूँ, जब मैं शूट कर रही थी तब मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आया. But I'll try to improve, and I hope next makeup tutorial में मैं ऐसा कोई गलती ना करूँ. Please bear with me for this particular video. ऐसी गलती फिर से repeat नहीं होगी. I'm making use of this blush ताकि थोड़ा बहुत कलर आ जाए मेरे फेस पे. Now the next thing I'm going to do is making use of a highlighter. Now here I'm making use of a liquid highlighter, and this is from Maybelline New York, and this is my absolute favorite highlighter. As you guys could see, it is glowing so nicely. I know आपने देखा था, मैंने फाउंडेशन के साथ ऑलरेडी मिक्स कर लिया था, but I think I was not really happy with the highlight, so I went ahead and made use of this eyeshadow palette to highlight my face. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. Now moving towards, I am using this lip color which is in a pinker shade, and I think this will go really good with the outfit which I'm wearing. And yeah, थोड़ी बहुत शर्म आ रही है मुझे इतना वाइट चेहरा करने के बाद, बट आई डोंट नो, मुझे फिगर आउट नहीं हुआ सीरियसली जब मैं वीडियो शूट कर रही थी. सो दैट्स माई मिस्टेक. आई टोटली अंडरस्टैंड, एंड आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू रिपीट इन माई नेक्स्ट ट्यूटोरियल. नेक्स्ट अप आई एम गोइंग टू add some sort of volume to my eyelids, and I'm making use of this mascara. Now this is from Maybelline New York. After the makeup is done, I'm going to set my face using this setting spray. Now this is from Wet n Wild, and yeah, that's pretty much about it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then make sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Comment करके बताना आपको ये मेकअप लुक अच्छा लगा या नहीं. कोई भी मिस्टेक्स हो गए तो प्लीज फील फ्री टू कॉमेंट डाउन, एंड या सब्सक्राइब कर देना. Also press the little bell icon and follow me on my social media. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.